Hello guys, in today's video we'll be seeing concurrency problem, and one of the concurrency problem is temporary update problem or dirty read problem, which we are going to see in detail in this video. So let's get started. Now, a major objective in developing a database is to enable many users to access data concurrently. Concurrent access is relatively easy if all users are only reading data, as there is no way that they can interfere with one another. However, two or more users are accessing data simultaneously, and at least one is updating data, there may be interference that can result in inconsistency. Although two transactions may be perfectly correct in themselves, the interleaving of operations in this way may produce an incorrect result, thus compromising the integrity and consistency of the data. These problems are commonly referred to as concurrency problem in database environment. The four concurrency problems that can occur in database are temporary update problem or dirty read problem, lost update problem, and unrepeatable read problem. And the last one is phantom read problem. Okay, so first we'll see the temporary update problem or dirty read problem in details. So let's take one example. Now there are two transactions, transaction T1 and transaction T2, which forms a schedule. Now T1 is going to read the data item A, then write the data item A, followed by the transaction T2, which is again going to read the value of data item A and then write the value of data item A. So the value of A from the database is being read into the buffer in the main memory. The initial value of A is 100 over here. Then T1 performs the write A operation, where write A is going to perform A equal to A plus 100. So now this buffer value is been incremented by 100, therefore A is equal to 200. Okay, then the context switch happens, and then T2 reads the value of A from where? From the buffer, okay, which is 200. That means T2 is reading the value which was updated by T1. Okay. Then T2 performs the write operation. It again increments the value of A by 100. So the value of A will become 300. After that, T2 commits its operation. Due to this commit statement, what has happened is the value of A, which was updated in buffer, is now reflected in the database, or is now saved into the database. So A equal to 300. Okay. So now T1 is still executing. Context which happened in between. T2 got the chance for the execution. T2 has completed its execution. T2 has executed the commit statement. That means it has saved all the changes to the database. Now later on, what happens is T1 transaction fails. Right. Whenever a transaction fails, then what do we do is we roll back all the changes that have been done by that transaction. Fine. So all the changes done by T1 are been rolled back. Up till then, this transaction T2 have already committed. Okay. Now what is the problem in this execution is T1 has executed this statement, manipulated the value of A and incremented it by 100. Now that temporary value which was been updated by T1 and which was present in the buffer was read by transaction T2. Okay, so there was some temporary value updated by transaction T1 which was read by read A operation of T2. Okay, then it performed its further operation on the same value, and now the A's value has become 300. Later on, it committed its execution. That means all the changes made by T2 are reflected in database. Meanwhile, T1 has failed and rolled back. So whatever has been executed by T1 no longer exists. Right? It has been undone. So the value read by A is wrong now. or is a dirty value which has been read by this transaction T2, right? Why? Because it has read the value of A as 200, instead of which it should have read A's value as 100. Okay. Now why we are saying this, it should have read the value as 100? Because as it has copied the value of A as 200 from the result of the transaction T1. Okay. Now before this read A statement, is this T1 transaction completed or have T1 executed the commit statement? No, it has not executed the commit statement. Okay, so all the changes made by T1 were present in the buffer. They were not saved into the database, right? So whatever are the values produced by this transaction T1 are temporary. They are not permanent yet, right? And later on what happened, as it failed, all the values were rolled back, so this all the temporary values were been deleted. Okay, but only one problem that happened over here is T2 read that temporary value and performed all its operation and also executed the commit statement. Now because of this commit statement, the execution of this T2 transaction cannot be rolled back. Okay, now whatever is been executed by T2 is already saved into the database and cannot be undone, only because it has committed, it has executed the commit statement. Fine. So even though T2 has failed and have rolled back, T2 cannot roll back because it has already committed. And what has happened? T2 has read the incorrect or the dirty value from the temporary values that were updated by T1. Okay, so this kind of problem is called as temporary update problem or dirty read problem, due to which it is going to leave the database in an inconsistent state, right? That means now according to the database, this T1 doesn't exist at all. Only exist is the T2 transaction. So T2 is incrementing the A's value only by 100. So if the initial value of A is 100 and if T2 is incrementing again it by 100, then the final value should have been 200 instead of 300. Okay, so now this value is some wrong value which has been updated by this transaction T2. So this problem is called as temporary update problem or dirty read problem. To summarize, temporary update problem or dirty read problem happens when one transaction is allowed to see the intermediate results of another transaction before it has committed. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you very much. Please give your feedback in the comment section.